This morning, a box came in the mail for me, so I just wanted to show you what's inside. Hi everyone, welcome to our homeschool table. My name is Jerilyn. I am a homeschool mom of 3 kids, ages 10, 3, and 1. This is our 6th year homeschooling, and today I'm going to share with you a program that just came for my 2 little kids. Speaking of my little kids, they are right outside the back door here playing, and they might get a little bit loud. We also have a track meet going on, so if you hear weird sounds, that is why. But we're going to film this video anyway. So here's my box. I sliced it open, and I'm going to show you what's inside, and then I will tell you a little bit about the program and how I got it and all that stuff. So this is from a company called 5 in a Row. I actually just shared about this last week on my channel from their 5 in a Row program, Volume 1, that my daughter and I used when she was in kindergarten. So I'll tell you that story in a minute, but this is a story map, it's called. Sorry, a storybook map. This is the storybook map for Before 5 in a Row. And then we have another one. This one is for More Before 5 in a Row. This is another story map. We have a little thank you bookmark. These are the Before 5 in a Row story discs. This is the Before 5 in a Row teacher's manual, or just program manual. These are the More Before 5 in a Row story discs. And last but not least, the More Before 5 in a Row program guide, or teacher's manual, whatever you want to call it. So that is all that is in my box. But I want to, first of all, say thank you to the 5 in a Row company for sending me this box. I was getting ready for my previous video about 5 in a Row Volume 1, and when I was looking around their website to be able to give current information about the program, I was kind of looking at the Before 5 in a Row curriculum and thinking that would be really cool to do with my 2 little kids, because it is geared for ages 2 through 4. So that's this program, Before 5 in a Row. And it had the teacher's manual, and then you could order the story discs and the Before 5 in a Row story map. And I thought that would be really fun. I want to do that with the little kids before they get too much older. And it's something that we can do all together because it's kind of geared for that age range. My daughter will be 2 this summer. My son will be 4 here in a few weeks. And so I just thought it'd be perfect for them. So I went ahead and I emailed the company, and I just asked if maybe they could send me the Before 5 in a Row manual so that I could do it with my kids. And the lady emailed me back, I think her name is Carrie, and said, well, actually, let me go ahead and send you the Before 5 in a Row program and the More Before 5 in a Row program, along with the story maps and the story discs and everything. So I was really excited because I had really just asked about the one item, but they sent me even more. So you will definitely be seeing more from me about this program in the future, and I will do a flip through video of the program so that you can get an idea of kind of how it works. But the 2 programs, if you bought all the parts for the 2 programs, you would need these 3 items for Before 5 in a Row, and these 3 items for More Before 5 in a Row. So I will probably go ahead and do separate videos on those, and we are going to go ahead and get started using these pretty soon. You're going to be hearing about Before 5 in a Row probably in the next couple of update videos. So I'm really excited about that. And I hope that you will stick around here at our homeschool table and subscribe so that you don't miss any of my future videos about these programs. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today at our homeschool table, and we'll see you next time.